Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Swarms token. Now the Swarms token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, December 20th, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the Swarms token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Swarms is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Swarms aims to be the definitive and most reliable multi-agent LLM large language model framework, offering developers the tools to automate business operations effortlessly. It provides a vast array of swarm architectures, seamless third-party integration, and unparalleled ease of use. With Swarms, developers can orchestrate intelligent, scalable agent ecosystems that can automate complex business processes. And this token here, it was just announced, will be listed today, December 20th at 9 a.m. UTC time, which has just passed, so it is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Swarms, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this token is on the Solana blockchain. You can find it on SolScan. If you're looking for the charts, the price, all the statistical info, you can find it on BirdEye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. And they do have a Discord you could join to chat with other community members. There's a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and their webpage is swarms.world. And over there you can find tons of other links as well. So there's key features for developers. Number 1 is architectural flexibility. Choose from a wide variety of pre-built swarm architectures or build custom agent frameworks. Swarms allows developers to define flexible workflows for specific use cases, providing both sequential and concurrent task execution. Number 2, there is third-party integration. So Swarms makes it simple to integrate with external APIs, databases, and other platforms by supporting extreme integration capabilities. It ensures your agents work effortlessly within any workflow. Number 3, developer-centric APIs. So the Swarms API is built with developers in mind, offering an intuitive, simple-to-use interface. Developers can orchestrate agent swarms with minimal code and maximum control. So they have code examples that you could check out if you want to learn how to do that. So they also have here the Swarm ecosystem section. By the way, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here so you guys can easily find the project. And it is at swarms_corp. It says enterprise-grade multi-agent collaboration framework. Has a link to their webpage right there. 19,700 followers, 231 posts. And it does have the contract address right in their most recent tweet here from 3 hours ago if you're looking for that. And yeah, so the Swarms ecosystem is a powerful suite of tools and frameworks designed to help developers build, deploy, and manage swarms of autonomous agents. Now, the Swarms Framework is a Python-based toolkit that simplifies the creation, orchestration, and scaling of Swarm's agents. The Swarm's Cloud is a cloud-based solution that enables you to deploy your agents with enterprise-level guarantees. It provides 99% uptime, infinite scalability, and self-healing capabilities, making it ideal for mission-critical operations. They have the Swarms models, which offers a seamless interface to leading LLM providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Ollama. It allows developers to tap into cutting-edge natural language understanding for their agents. They have Agent Parse, which is a high-performance library for mapping structured data like JSON, YAML, CSV, and pedantic models into formats understandable by agents, and this ensures fast, seamless data ingestion. The Swarms platform is a marketplace where developers can find, buy, and sell autonomous agents. It enables the rapid scaling of agent ecosystems by leveraging ready-made solutions. IoT agents enable seamless integration between IoT data and AI agents, allowing the real-time processing of IoT data streams and driving smart automation in industries such as logistics, healthcare, and smart cities. And in addition to the core components, the Swarms ecosystem offers several other powerful packages like Swarms Core, built in Rust. Swarms Core handles concurrency, multi-threading, and execution strategies. Swarms JS allows JavaScript-based orchestration of multi-agent systems. The Swarms memory provides retrieval augmented generation systems for long-term memory in agents. Swarms evals, used for evaluating the performance of swarms of agents, and Swarms Zero, an RPC-based enterprise-grade automation framework. Now, in conclusion, the Swarms ecosystem is a comprehensive, flexible, and scalable platform for managing and deploying autonomous agents. Whether you're working on LLMs, IoT data, or building new models, the ecosystem provides the tools necessary to simplify automation at scale. Start exploring the possibilities by checking out the Swarms ecosystem GitHub repository and join our growing community of developers and innovators. So check all the info out at swarms.world. You can find this token newly listed as of basically right now on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.